What is good, YouTube? We are back finally with another video. It's been a while now since we dropped one, so I'm really excited for this one. It's gonna be one that you guys are gonna really appreciate. And for those of you that are into fashion, luxury, high-end stuff, traveling, we're gonna be doing all that. Make sure y'all lock in because it's gonna be a good one. On today's video, what we're gonna be working on, as of recently, we've been shooting a lot more content, and one of the tools we use the most to do that with is our camera. So I've been thinking we should give the camera strap a little update, so we're gonna be doing that right now. Let's get it. Alright y'all, now that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the process of us making this camera strap, make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below what you guys thought about the process, or any future products that you guys like to see on this channel. Please let us know. We're also going to be uploading more camera strap content onto our Instagram, so if you want to take a closer look, make sure you guys check that out. Follow us at Let Your Nightmares Go. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you DM us. We'll try to reach out to you guys as soon as possible. Turn on your notification bells and subscribe to this channel because we're going to be dropping a lot more bangers. Until next time.